Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating quickly to Network and Internet or Connections. This puts the hotspot controls right in front of you. Once there, tap Hotspot and Tethering or Mobile Hotspot so you can change hotspot behavior. You need to locate the Hotspot Saver, Data Saver, or battery-related option that manages automatic shutdown. Depending on your phone, it may be labeled differently, but you must find the Toggle or Advanced menu before proceeding to the next step. You now enter the Hotspot Advanced settings or Manage Hotspot area where the automatic turn-off lives. Find Hotspot Saver or Auto Turn-Off and switch the toggle to Off, because that stops your phone from shutting the hotspot when idle. You should also check any connected device rules or timeout values and set them to never or a long interval. Once done, press Save or back out to ensure the system retains the new setting before testing a connection. To finish, connect a device and watch the hotspot for 10 to 15 minutes to verify it stays active. This confirms the toggle change worked. If it still turns off, restart the hotspot service or reboot your phone and make sure battery optimization permissions aren't forcing sleep. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort. But remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairings. One tip: check any carrier or third.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.